According to the latest published studies on the amazing effects of jumping rope can throw off the workout equation. And if you doubt it and think it's silly, today's video is for you to find out how wrong you are. Today I will tell you what will happen if we jump rope for only 10 minutes every day. Indeed, today I will tell you about the disadvantages of jumping rope so that you are fully aware. So stay with us and don't miss this wonderful video. Hi guys, what's going on? As you know, jumping rope is one of the favorite movements of boxers because it wakes up their legs and helps improve heart function and increase lung capacity. So if you do sports that make you tired and short of breath, the first suggestion for you is jumping rope. If you're looking for an effective full body workout, try jumping rope. The act of jumping rope relies on your lower body muscles like calves, thighs, and buttocks, upper body like shoulders and biceps, and abdominal muscles. This can not only help improve muscle strength but also your muscular endurance, which allows your muscles to exercise for longer and increase explosive power for quick, sudden movements that are common in sports. In one study, it was written that jumping rope affects bone strength, so that it was found that women who jumped rope 3 times a week for 6 months could only increase mineral density in the lower half by 10 times. In addition to all these things, jumping rope improves coordination and balance. So if you do martial arts, you should include jumping rope in your daily training program. In a study that was conducted on young soccer players, it was found that those who jumped rope along with the main exercises had much better coordination. Jumping rope is a quick, affordable, and effective workout. It can increase your cardiorespiratory fitness, build stronger bones and muscles, and improve your balance and coordination. It also burns an impressive amount of calories in a short period of time, which can help you achieve the calorie deficit you need to lose weight. If you're looking to mix things up and get in a good workout, all you need is a rope and to start jumping. Jump rope versus running, is one better than the other? Jumping rope and running burn a similar number of calories in the same amount of time. However, jumping rope burns slightly more calories when exercising at a medium or high intensity. Running and jumping rope work your lower body, require trunk and hip stabilization, and can train you aerobically and anaerobically. Their impact force is comparable, but when jumping rope, double unders are higher impact than single unders. According to the latest studies, the best time to jump rope is in the morning, but don't do it on an empty stomach because it can cause nausea. Now add to all the benefits I mentioned. Improve mental skills, helping you stay calm, prevent sports injuries, better sleep and stress management. But what are the disadvantages of jumping rope? Most likely you have heard the saying that roping is not suitable for women and causes the uterine prolapse. But honestly, it is an old legend and rumor about the rope and falling of the uterus. You won't get sagged by jumping rope or any other sport. At the same time, the notion that jumping rope makes organs like the chest loose is not true. And men who have seen the video so far, don't look for excuses because there is no harm for you. If the video was even a little useful to you, like the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you for being with us.